Hey there, traders! Ready to unlock some high win rate trading secrets? Buckle up, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to share some strategies that can elevate your trading game. First up, let's talk about the power of trend following. This is one of the simplest, yet most effective strategies out there. The idea is to identify the direction of the market and trade in that direction. Sounds simple, right? But the key here is to use tools like moving averages to confirm the trend. For example, when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, it's a bullish signal. When it crosses below, it's bearish. Next, let's dive into breakout trading. This strategy focuses on identifying key levels of support and resistance. When the price breaks through these levels, it often leads to significant moves. So, if you spot a stock that's been consolidating and it finally breaks above the resistance, that could be your entry point. Always use stop losses to protect yourself from false breakouts. Now I want to touch on swing trading. Swing trading involves holding positions for several days or even weeks to capture short-term market moves. Here, the goal is to buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy low. Technical analysis tools like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and MACD can help you identify overbought or oversold conditions. Another high win rate strategy is mean reversion. This is based on the idea that prices will eventually return to their average value. For instance, if a stock's price deviates significantly from its average price, you can anticipate that it will revert back. This works particularly well in range-bound markets. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of risk management. Even the best trading strategy can fail without proper risk control. Use position sizing, set stop losses, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. This way, you protect your capital and can trade another day. So, there you have it. Trend following, breakout trading, swing trading, and mean reversion. Incorporate these strategies into your trading plan and you'll be on your way to achieving those high win rates. Remember, successful trading requires patience, discipline, and continuous learning. Keep refining your strategies and stay updated with market trends. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading, everyone. See you next time.